I'm about to show you guys how to maintain your hairline just a few days after you got a haircut. Let's get into it. What's up with it, everybody? It's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Okay guys, first things first is a brush and your Andes T outliners. You go around your head brushing all your sides down, getting all that excess hair down, laid down real nice. See, I'm showing you guys where my hair is receding a little bit over the line, especially on that side. But yeah, that's what the brush is for, just brushing all your hairs down. That way you can get a crispy line up. And now I'm going in, starting on my right side. Make sure your clippers are clean and they're sharp enough. That way all you have to do is just tap and go. Just like I'm doing here, I'm just tapping. I'm not really digging in. Taking my time, steady hand. And here I had a fade once before, and I really didn't have to do my C-cups, but I did them anyway, just so the haircut will stand out a little bit more for a little longer. Here I am on the left side. Like I said, guys, steady hand, make sure you brush your hairs down. Even after you give yourself a line up, brush your hairs down afterwards to make sure you got all the hairs, all the excess hairs. And never mind that clip on the top of my head, I did that because one of my dreads started to unravel, so I had to re-clamp it down. But yeah, you guys, like I said, this is an easy process, easy lineup. After your barber cut your hair like it's been a week, you can go back and just touch up where your barber already lined your hair up. Just trace what the barber did. Simple. And like I said, you can get those Andes T outliners from Walmart. That's where I got mine. They probably ran me about no more than $60, $45 to $60. But yeah, make sure you go back, touch up any places that you might have overlooked or that you might have messed up on. It's always easy to fix. Just take your time. Now I'm doing my forehead line up, lifting up my dread. You don't want to cut off any dreads. If you're growing your dreads out, be sure to clamp them back or lift them up as you line your hair up. Yeah, you guys, this is pretty much how you line up your hair, just tracing up what the barber already did for you guys. It's simple. Make sure everything looks nice and neat. Comment down below any ideas y'all would like me to do as far as hair goes, haircut tutorials. Let me know and I'll get them put out for you guys. Now I'm just lining up my chin hairs, my goatee. I didn't necessarily have to do it, but to have an all together look, I did it anyway. But the lineup looks real nice. Alright guys, that's the cut. Tell me what you think about it. Got it all nice and lined up, crispy. There's nothing hanging over or anything like that. Got the C-cups looking nice. I even touched up the back a little bit, but that's nothing to worry about, especially if you still got a fade in the back. Or even on the sides. I didn't really have to draw in my C-cups, but I did anyway, just for the cosmetics, I guess you could say. But yeah, this is all you have to do, man. Just follow your line that the barber gave you. Follow it, brush all your hair out first. Get all the straggler hairs that's been grown, the new growth. Get all this stuff brushed to the front so you can see it on your skin. That way, all you have to do is just tap and go, man. Get you some Andes T outliners. And make sure you take your time, steady hand, and that's all it is to it, man. It's nothing hard about it. Be sure to keep you some witch hazel, close by or some alcohol. That way whenever you get through lining yourself up and you start seeing like red spots like this right here is red, all you gotta do is just take it, go throughout your whole line, you know what I mean? And just touch it up. Touch it up. It ain't that hard. It ain't that hard. Simple. Just touch it up all around where you were cutting. You want to make sure you use witch hazel to make sure all that redness and dark spots don't appear on your face. It'll heal your skin, because what it is, every time that blade is touching your skin, it's kind of bruising it, it's cutting it a little bit, so you have these little cuts everywhere. But this is all you have to do. Simple, easy hairline up, clean up, maintained. Hey, it's not even a full haircut. You know what I mean? It's just simply, I took what I did earlier. I'm my own barber, so I took what I did a few days ago and just traced the line up, and boom. If I can do it, you can do it too. Simple. But hey, it's your boy Trey Smith, your host of Let It Marinate, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.